Efficient monitoring of transactions and tax payments is said to be the aim of the introduction of the individual TIN. Details in this report. Simple monetary and other transactions, including those involving government agencies such as the Guyana Revenue Authority, would require the use of the Taxpayer Identification Number TIN come next year. Already that number is being used by businesses registered to collect value-added tax. Next year, individuals, businesses or government and other agencies would require to have their TIN for transactions such as tax, income and expenditure. The GRA said that about 43,000 applications have been processed, while more than 13,000 are in process.
If you do not have your TIN, you will not be able to do business with the GRA. So that by itself is a penalty. So let's say, for example, you want to transfer ownership of a vehicle or ownership of your land. Unless you have a TIN, you will be prevented from doing so. The registrar that normally would deal with that transaction too would not be able to process your transfer. The Bank of Guyana, which is a government agency, or the Licensing Revenue Department would not be able to process your request for a registration of a vehicle.
GRA's Commissioner General Khurshid Sattar. The introduction of the individual TIN should help the GRA to detect delinquent employers who deduct employees' taxes, including PAYE, and don't remit them to the GRA.
Because of this heightened awareness with the TIN, we are sure that these levels of malpractices would now be brought to the fore, and employees, the people who are being affected, would take a position with their employers. We are aware that it is the practice of some businesses to put dummy employees on their payroll and to pay to make deduction for them or pay them salaries. Obviously, with the TIN and with the requirement that each employee has to exist and has to be given a valid TIN, obviously such practices would be highlighted. So
the GRA said that persons 15 years and older could apply for the TIN.
Because from the 1st of January, if your employer does not have a TIN provided by you, he probably would not be able to pay you.
The Revenue Authority records would be computerized by next year, and persons would only be able to do transactions with a valid TIN number. For Prime News, Nazima Ragabir.